This to me actually looks more like you're just playing. Little footsie problem. Little footsie problem. Your neck's not going under control like it took the way your back legs used to,